Hello friends, how are you all? I am back with a new video. The topic being discussed in today's video is Orion Motor Tech Power Steering Pump Pulley Puller Installer Tool Set supports smooth automotive repair tasks by helping remove and install pulleys with accuracy. This hand toolkit is designed for both home garage work and professional mechanical service. Built with careful engineering, the set delivers reliable results when dealing with power steering pump systems across multiple vehicle brands. This model, identified as SP04RD, weighs 2 pounds and comes with compact product dimensions of 9 inches by 8 inches by 2 inches. The structure uses strong black oxide finishing that helps resist corrosion while maintaining durability over long periods of use. The outer surface treatment also adds protection against wear during repeated repair sessions. This power steering repair set works with pulley hub diameters such as 1 1/8 inch, 1 1/4 inch, 1 5/16 inch, and 1 3/8 inch. These size options allow flexibility when handling different pulley types without requiring additional tools. Mechanics can complete tasks with better precision and reduced effort by using a single kit for multiple applications. The 7-piece collection includes a pulley remover, pulley installer, 2 forcing screws, 1 sleeve, 2 puller jaws, and a disconnect tool. Each component plays an important role in ensuring smooth removal and installation processes. The reversible puller jaw design allows adjustment depending on the pulley position, making it easier to handle various repair conditions. This flexibility also helps when inspecting pulley flanges or correcting alignment issues. Durability stands out due to the use of IC1045 medium carbon steel. This material provides strength required for demanding automotive tasks. Every piece undergoes heat treatment to improve hardness and structural integrity. The blackened finish enhances resistance against rust and corrosion, ensuring that the tools remain in working condition even after extended exposure to workshop environments. Wide compatibility makes this tool set suitable for different vehicle systems. It works with Saginaw, Thompson, and Ford C111 C2 power steering pumps commonly found in many Ford, General Motors, and Chrysler vehicles. In addition, the kit supports belt-driven vacuum pumps and press-on-water pump pulleys used in General Motors V6 engines. The forcing screws also function with most Volkswagen vehicle power steering systems, adding more versatility for users handling multiple car brands. Ease of use remains a key aspect of this toolkit. The design focuses on simple operation so that both beginners and experienced users can perform tasks without confusion. Clear instructions guide step-by-step procedures, helping reduce mistakes during pulley removal or installation. The intuitive structure ensures that each component fits properly, allowing smooth workflow without unnecessary complications. Storage and portability are supported by a custom blow-molded case. This case keeps all parts organized and secure, preventing loss of small components. It also makes it easier to carry the kit between different work locations. Proper storage extends the lifespan of the tools by protecting them from dust, moisture, and accidental damage. The hand tool lift type design ensures controlled operation without requiring powered equipment. This allows users to work in various settings, including home garages where access to heavy machinery may not be available. The manual control also improves precision during delicate repair work involving pulleys and pump systems. The manufacturer provides a 1-year warranty, offering additional assurance regarding product reliability. This coverage reflects confidence in the construction quality and performance of the tool set. Users can rely on the kit for consistent results during power steering maintenance and repair tasks. Automotive repair often requires tools that can handle pressure and repeated use. This pulley puller installer set meets those demands through strong construction and thoughtful design. The combination of multiple components in one kit reduces the need to purchase separate tools, saving both time and effort. Handling pulley systems can be challenging without proper equipment. This tool set simplifies the process by offering components that fit securely and operate smoothly. The forcing screws apply steady pressure, while the puller jaws grip firmly to remove pulleys without causing damage. The installer ensures correct placement when attaching pulleys, helping maintain proper alignment and function. The black oxide exterior not only adds durability but also gives the tool set a professional appearance. This finish contributes to long-term usability, especially in environments where exposure to oil, grease, and moisture is common. The resistance to corrosion helps maintain tool quality over time. With compatibility across several vehicle brands and systems, this kit becomes a practical choice for mechanics working with diverse automotive models. Whether dealing with power steering pumps or related pulley systems, the tool set supports efficient repair processes. The included disconnect tool adds further convenience when handling specific components during maintenance work. The compact size of the kit ensures that it does not take up excessive space in a toolbox or workshop. Despite its small size, it provides all necessary components for effective pulley handling. This balance between portability and functionality makes it suitable for both mobile mechanics and stationary workshop use. Every component in the set is designed to work together, creating a complete solution for pulley removal and installation. The precision engineering reduces the risk of damaging parts during repair, which can help avoid additional costs. Proper alignment and secure installation also contribute to improved performance of the power steering system. This Orion Motor Tech tool set supports efficient automotive maintenance by combining durability, compatibility, and ease of use in one package. It serves as a reliable option for handling pulley-related tasks across different vehicle systems while maintaining consistent performance over time.